Hi guys, Keith from KB Electric. Today I want to talk about electrical inspections at your business. We get a lot of calls for electrical inspections at your residence, but rarely do we hear from the businesses. So I wanted to talk about this because over the past 2 weeks we had 3 different scenarios that could very well knock you out of business. One was at a taco joint. This place, William, my field supervisor, was out there. When they're busy, you're mobbed. You're shoulder to shoulder. You can't move, he tells me. Anyway, the place has no exit signs, emergency exit signs, and they haven't for about 10 years. They were actually unhooked, and when you try to hook them up, it would blow the breaker. So at one point, the breaker was tripping, and someone decided, hey, let's just unhook the problem, which was the exit signs, instead of replacing them. Another was at a daycare. There was a small fire in one of the rooms, I believe next to the kitchen, because of old wiring for the range receptacle. And then another incident was at a warehouse. There were wall receptacles with extremely high voltage on it. Enough to do some damage. So anyway, let me show you what I'm talking about at the warehouse, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, here we are at the warehouse. There's your basic wall receptacle. It should be 120 volts. Let's take a look and see what we have. Oh, ouch, 282. That's pretty high. 120 volts will knock you on your rear. 282, that'll send you to Mars. Let's see. Looks like our other outlet's on the same wall. It's probably going to be the same voltage. Anyway, what used to be a small office here, and a demo team pulled everything out and put the office on the adjacent wall there, and I guess they hooked things up incorrectly. Here is your basic single pole 120 volt breaker. And it looks like they actually tied everything into our high voltage panel. So, a few corrections, we'll get things back the way they should be. As you can see, the voltage in that warehouse on the wall outlets was quite high. And that's not the reason we were there. We were actually there to make sure the UPS system was on a dedicated line. And that was just something we found in discoveries that had to be addressed. If you can imagine, if you plug any type of electronics or any lifts or anything like that in there, they would blow pretty instantly. So anyways, it's a good idea to have a basic electrical inspection at your business. At the end of this video, I'll throw in a couple of pictures too of the exit signs we swapped out, and if I can pull one up of that small fire that was caused at the daycare. And that's that. We'll see you on the next one.